Welcome to Mississippi Southern Bankruptcy Court's training video for filing a motion. This video will guide you through the steps necessary to file a motion in our court. A printed version of this demonstration is included in the court's ECF Attorney Guide, published on the court's website under the Electronic Case Filing tab. Before you file, you must prepare your motion and save it as a PDF document. If you have exhibits, they may either be prepared as PDF documents to be filed as an attachment to your motion, or you may save them together with your motion as one PDF document. You will also need to prepare a proposed order. Once your motion, exhibits, and proposed order are prepared and saved in PDF format, you are ready to file your motion with the court. The purpose of this video is to help you locate the motion docket events in CMECF and understand how these events function so that you can successfully file a motion with our court. Let's begin. The first step is to log in to our document filing system, also known as CMECF. A link to our filing system is found on the court's homepage. Look for ECF Login under the Electronic Case Filing tab and click on the link in blue to our document filing system. On the login screen, enter your PACER username and password and click Login. Read the redaction agreement and place a check in the box to indicate that you have read it and will file in compliance with the redaction rules. Click Continue to log in. The next step is to locate the filing event for your particular motion. On the Filing menu, select Bankruptcy, Motions and Applications, enter the case number and click Next. Then locate and select the filing event for your motion. Under the Available Events column, you will find an alphabetical listing of our filing events for motions and applications. You may scroll down through the list to locate the event for your motion, for instance, a motion for relief from stay, then click to select the event and verify your selection in the Selected Events field. You may also search for your filing event by typing a keyword in the space at the top of the Available Events column. This will shorten the event list for selection. Click to select the event and verify your selection in the Selected Events field. If your motion seeks multiple relief, you may be required to select multiple docket events. A common example of this is a motion for relief from stay, co-debtor stay, and abandonment. This motion requires 3 filing events, and you will select each event while holding the Control key. When a fee is associated with multiple events, as in this example, the motion for relief from stay and the motion for abandonment, you should always start your event selection in reverse alphabetical order from bottom to top. This is so you will not be charged a fee for each motion. After you have made all your selections, verify the events in the Selected Events column to ensure that all required events have been selected. Let's see how that will look when you are filing a motion that requires several filing events. Search for your first event either by scrolling through the alphabetical listing or by typing in a keyword in the search box. Remember, you will make your selections in reverse alphabetical order if fees are involved. So in this example, you will make your selection in the following order: relief from stay, relief from co-debtor stay, abandon. After you have made all your selections, verify your events in the Selected Events column to ensure that all required events have been selected. This column will also show you the order of your selection. The event at the top of the list is your first selection, and so forth. So you can also verify the order of selection here as well. Once you have verified your selections, click Next. Then, without selecting Joint Filing with Other Attorney, click Next. Select the party filing the motion, or if your party does not exist in the list, click the link to add Create New Party. Enter the party's name and click Search to see if there is a listing in our database. If our database does not have a listing for your creditor party with the exact name and address as listed on your motion, click the button Create New Party. Enter the name of the creditor, the address, city, state, zip, and select Creditor CRCR for the roll type. Note that if the creditor is a business, you enter the entire creditor name in the last name field. When you are ready, click Submit. Clicking Submit returns you to the screen for party selection. The party that you just added will already be highlighted, so click Next to continue. The first time that you file a pleading on behalf of a party in a case, you will be prompted to create an association with that party. The default checkmark creates an association between you as an attorney and the party you represent, and this association is required in order for you to receive electronic notices on behalf of your client. So leaving the checkmark in the association box, click Next. You will now upload the motion that you have saved in PDF format along with your proposed order, which will be uploaded as an attachment. Click Browse to locate, view, and select your PDF file. We recommend the practice of always viewing your file before you upload it to ensure that you are submitting the correct document to the court. Once you have viewed and selected your PDF file, select Yes for attachments, then click Next. You will now upload the proposed order that you have saved in PDF format. Click Browse to locate, view, and select the PDF file for your proposed order. Again, we recommend the practice of always viewing your file before you upload it to ensure that you are submitting the correct document to the court. Once you have viewed and selected your PDF file, select Proposed Order from the Category column, click Add to List, then click Next. On the message screen regarding relinquishments, click Next. On the filing fee screen, enter a description of the property and the name of the co-debtor listed in your motion. You will also want to verify that only one fee is being charged. If you see more than one fee, you will need to abort your filing and start over, or click your browser back button to return to the event selection screen. You will only see multiple fees on the filing fee screen if the events were selected out of order. All filing fees are paid via the Internet through pay.gov, and you will be prompted to pay now or to continue filing after your filing is complete. Without entering anything in the receipt box, click Next. On the docket text screen, review the information for accuracy. Some events will have drop-down pick lists, as pointed out with the arrows here, and with multiple filing events, as in this example, each event could have a text box for adding additional text. You will want to make any selection and add any additional text based upon the motion you are filing. If you discover any inaccuracy on this verification screen, abort your filing and start over. You might, for instance, notice that the proposed order is not attached or that you have not selected a required event. You can abort the filing by clicking on any option in the CMECF menu bar, for instance, bankruptcy, adversary, query reports, and so forth. Once you have verified your text, click Next. The attention message alerts you to the final submission. Clicking Next on this screen commits the transaction to our live database. After a final review of the text, click Next. The Notice of Electronic Filing, or Receipt screen, is your verification that the motion has been successfully filed with our court. A pop-up box will allow you to pay now or to continue filing. On this screen, you will also see blue Pacer links to view your document or the case docket. We have now covered all the steps necessary for filing a motion with our court. You should be able to locate the filing events for motions and applications in CMECF and understand the preparation and the filing process for a motion with a single or with multiple filing events. Thank you for viewing this video demonstration on how to file a motion with our court. To view other training videos, including a live demonstration of filing a motion, please visit the court's YouTube page at the address listed on this screen or from the YouTube link posted on the upper right-hand corner of our court's homepage. Additional filing resources are also available on our homepage at www.mssb.uscourts.gov. If you have any questions regarding filing procedures, please call the clerk's office in Gulfport or Jackson during normal business hours, and a staff member will gladly assist you.